Being signed in to your home Wi-Fi for the Pfaff creative icon will alert you when there's updates or new additions to this machine. You'll turn your machine on one morning and up will pop a message that an update is available. Kind of like you see that when you have a phone or device, when updates become available, that kind of pops up each day. Now you'll have the option to say yes, update, or no, remind me tomorrow. So the one thing that you want to do is if you say yes, update, you do just need to follow the steps on screen. It's very easy. It's going to download the software and then it's usually going to ask you to restart the machine or that the machine is going to restart automatically for you. The key is for updates is if that machine has been restarted and it's loading that software in, the updates, which by the way are free, you will find do not turn your machine off. Make sure it can run all the way through. Now, for those of you without Wi-Fi at home, one thing you can do is access software updates on the Pfaff.com website, put them on a USB stick. There'll be directions on how to install them. Not hard. I haven't had anybody who's had any trouble doing that, but you're just going to walk the USB stick to the machine, plug it in on the side, turn it on, and follow the steps. So that is something that you can do. Now, usually when you have your Pfaff serviced at your local Pfaff service center, they will do updates for you. So if you can't do it yourself, just ask them to do it when they are servicing your machine and make sure your machine is up to date when you get it back.